Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Breezy Comfort Portable AC. So as you can see right here, it is actually pretty small AC. It said it is a portable AC. And as you can see, it is too good to be true for something this small to cool an entire room. So they claim that it has rapid cooling technology, swing function, adjustable fan speeds, customized cooling, quiet operation, which is basically normal for any air conditioning. So as you can see right here, we can go to Cora, and Breezy Comfort air conditioners are small swamp coolers. They blow air over a wet sponge to simulate an actual air conditioner. They work slightly a couple feet if the ambient air is fairly dry. Otherwise, they are a waste of electricity. There are YouTube videos that show the lack of efficacy of these. So to answer your question, they are a complete scam, and as are all lookalikes. So yeah, basically anything like this, it is basically a scam, since something so small like this cannot cool an entire room. And as you can see here on Reddit, avoid Zero Breeze portable AC unit, which is basically the same product as this one. So a lot of people are also agreeing with them. I felt like advertising was misleading when I saw it. Just to be piggyback, blah blah blah. I had the exact same experience, so please do not buy this product. It is actually a scam, so please, if you are, just basically too good to be true. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.